Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video. And yes, I am back with two beautiful lipstick bullets courtesy of Patreon, and I cannot wait to share.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang.
Let's mix it up.
So just a little rundown. This video was originally a Patreon exclusive, and it was some dupe requests that were requested in the community chat for lipstick bullets. These bullets came out so pretty, perfect in time for the summer. We are in spring, and you guys can thank the community chat. You hear me? We have Zach Perfect, who requested for me to do the Coming Up Roses Liquid Concentrate by TKB Trading, and that is going to be that beautiful rosy pink that you guys see. I had the flash on it, so it made it seem a little more hot, but it is not that hot, I can promise you guys that. And then we have Erica Cohen's, which special thank you to you, Erica, for requesting an orange LC, but specifically a bullet. You know, this video was truly inspired by you both, and she wanted an orange LC for the hot summer days in Florida. And you guys know that I had to come through for the community because I love you guys so very much. So over on my Patreon, we made the LCs for a small pledge of $5 per month. You can have access to all of my archive recipes and today's full video, LCs and all. You'll also be able to request your favorite dupes, and I will honor it in the order it's received. But here we are. We have our Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base, and we have it added to our beaker. I only had one beaker. I don't know where my other beaker is, so I added it directly to the hot plate using a glass ingredient bowl. As long as the temperature is on a medium to low setting, you'll kind of be able to watch over it to make sure that the temperature isn't too hot, being that we have our glass directly to the hot plate. And as you guys can see, that my hot plate is flat. I'm not using the coils, so don't add glass to the coils. Make sure that your hot plate is flat just like mine in order to take advantage of this shortcut. Now you guys see me assembling the mold. I sanitized my mold, and usually I oil my mold, but I wanted to try something a little different this time, so I didn't oil the mold. And then I'm just kind of assembling the mold, making sure that everything is aligned before I get ready to pour the lipstick base into the mold. But I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of help this melt down just a little bit, and then I'll proceed to adding the LC.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. That's living.
So now that our base is melted, it's time to add the LCs. So the first LC that I'll be adding is the Coming Up Roses that was requested by Zach Perfect. Now that we have that LC added to the beaker, I'm just going to give it a good mix. You guys kind of want to move a little fast because it will form. So I'm taking my temperature gauge and I'm testing the temperature. Now, here's the thing. It's below 170 and I added in some preservative, but if it's below 170, you don't have to add preservative if you purchase the base from me. But I know some of you guys make the base yourself, so that will be a perfect time to add it as long as the temperature is under or below 170. And that's only if you have not added preservative to your base prior when making it yourself. Now I have my LC in the next bowl for the next color, which is a cute blood orange color that was requested by Erica Cohens on my Patreon in the community chat. Shout out to Erica Cohens. And then I'm going to be adding some shimmer gold just to give us like some nice reflex and a nice little shimmer to that lipstick. And I'm checking the temperature just to give you guys an example. If it was above 170, allow it to cool, then add your preservative. So I added in 1 drop of the preservative cap too, and then I'm going to whisk this off to the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's back, I'm going to scrape away the excess lipstick like so with a sanitized spatula. So I'm just removing that. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the top of the mold gently. You can press the top with your thumbs, the bottoms of the lipstick. You can do that. That will make it easier, but I just removed it since it works so effortlessly. And twist the top of your tube all the way into the up position. And just like that, we made lipstick bullets. Both colors came out beautiful. Here's a little swatch for you guys of that blood orange and that beautiful pink. And they both are so vibrant, so moisturizing, and the color payoff is insane. Until next time, you guys, thank you for allowing me to share my gift with you. And as always, stay blessed.